Welcome back to Kitchen Days, where we turn everyday kitchens into extraordinary spaces filled with inspiration and style. Today, we're stepping into a world of light, flow, and sophistication with an open concept kitchen that radiates airy elegance and modern luxury living. If you love spaces that feel expansive, connected, and effortlessly stylish, then this design concept is going to spark your imagination. From layout to lighting, every detail works together to create a seamless and inviting environment. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment below to tell us what your dream kitchen looks like. Let's explore how open concept design transforms the heart of the home. Open concept kitchens remove barriers, literally and visually, allowing your kitchen, dining, and living areas to flow into one cohesive space. This creates a sense of openness that instantly makes your home feel larger and more connected. Without walls interrupting the layout, natural light can travel freely, enhancing brightness and warmth throughout the entire area. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about how the space feels when you live in it. This layout also encourages interaction, whether you're cooking, entertaining, or simply enjoying family time. It transforms the kitchen from a functional space into a social hub. A key element of Airy Elegance is the color palette. Soft whites, warm neutrals, and subtle pastels create a calm and sophisticated foundation that reflects light beautifully. Natural materials like light wood, marble, and glass enhance this effect, adding texture while maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. These materials balance warmth with modern refinement. The result is a kitchen that feels both luxurious and approachable, perfect for everyday living while still looking magazine-worthy. In an open concept kitchen, flow is everything. The layout should guide movement naturally from one zone to another, whether it's cooking, prepping, or dining. Kitchen islands often become the centerpiece, offering additional workspace, storage, and a casual gathering spot. They anchor the space while maintaining openness. Smart placement of appliances and cabinetry ensures that functionality never compromises style. Every element has a purpose, and everything feels intuitively placed. Lighting plays a major role in enhancing airy elegance. Large windows, skylights, and glass doors flood the space with natural light, making the kitchen feel fresh and alive. Layered lighting, such as pendant lights, under-cabinet lighting, and recessed fixtures, adds depth and dimension, especially during evening hours. The right lighting doesn't just illuminate, it creates mood, highlights design features, and brings the entire kitchen to life. An open concept kitchen thrives on clean lines and minimal clutter. Hidden storage solutions and streamlined cabinetry help maintain a sleek and organized look. Luxury is expressed through quality rather than quantity. Think high-end finishes, elegant hardware, and thoughtfully chosen decor pieces. This balance between minimalism and sophistication creates a space that feels both serene and upscale without being overwhelming. One of the most powerful aspects of open concept design is how seamlessly the kitchen integrates with surrounding areas. Consistent flooring, colors, and textures tie everything together. Furniture choices and decor help define each zone without breaking the visual flow. A dining table or sofa can subtly separate spaces while keeping the openness intact. This harmony creates a unified environment where every corner feels intentional, connected, and beautifully designed. An open-concept kitchen with airy elegance isn't just a design trend, it's a lifestyle choice that embraces light, connection, and modern luxury. It transforms your home into a space that feels open, welcoming, and effortlessly stylish. Whether you're renovating or simply dreaming, these ideas can inspire you to create a kitchen that truly reflects your taste and enhances everyday living. Thank you so much for watching Kitchen Days. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.